This is the question I got asked. Why, when I start sending an email in Google Workspace or Gmail, and I start typing an email address, it brings up something that's irrelevant and not even in my contacts? Why is that happening? And how can I manage that? Let me show you how to do that in this video. Here's the example they're talking about. If I do a new email message and I type in Ralph, it brings up Ralph at Burris Consulting. Now I'm going to close this down and go show you. If I go look at my contacts, under my contacts, there's no Ralph. So where is that coming from? Well, it's coming from other contacts. If I click on other contacts, you scroll down, there's Ralph. Now, how'd that get in there? Well, that got in there because I sent an email message to Ralph at Burris Consulting. Now, how do I manage this and stop it from happening? If I, in fact, want to stop it from happening, go to Gmail, click on the settings, the sprocket, hit See All Settings. Under See All Settings, scroll down near the bottom, and you'll see right down here where I went too far, Create Contacts for Autocomplete. And it is selected. When I send a message to a new person, add them to other contacts so that I can autocomplete them the next time I message them. So I can undo that and go to I'll add contacts myself. And from now on, it will not add any new email addresses to other contacts. Now I'm going to leave that on, and I'm going to show you what else you can do. If I go back to contacts, if I click on other contacts right here, I could come down to this one called Ralph, click on it, or not even click on it, just go over to the far right, and I can add it directly to my contacts. So it will always be in my contacts, and it will always be available when I send a new email message to Ralph. Or what I can do is I can go select, it's a little tricky, hit the down arrow, hit select all, and I can delete all of these email addresses that are under other contacts. If I go over here to the three dots and I delete and hit delete, now when I go to send a new email, I got to refresh. I click on compose and I start typing R-A-L-P, it doesn't bring up Ralph at Burris Consulting because it's not in my contacts and it's not in other contacts. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope these ideas are useful for you.